I always say men are violent, but women are vicious. Men are violent, but women are vicious. And if I had to take a chance on any of them, I'll take the chance on the man. Women are dangerous. You hear me? Women are dangerous. They are not harmless. They are not innocent. Women are deadly. This is coming from a woman. So take me seriously. I think men, they they are more likely to act. Their violence is more likely to come from a more instinctive kind of. If they feel, how do I put it now? It's more likely to be impulsive. The violence that men show, it's more likely to be impulsive out of rage. If they feel if there's a clear and present threat to them, yes, but also if they feel disrespected, that's a lot of where their violence comes. It's less likely to be um, premeditated. From my experience, women are more likely to premeditate, to connive, and to be vicious with it. Vicious. Most of the bad things that have happened to me in my life have been as a result of women. I'm not saying this is your experience, of course. This is my experience. Most of the bad things, and not, I mean, there are not many bad things that have happened to me in life, but I'm saying most times when a bad thing happens, a woman caused it. Whether it be betrayal of friendships, exposing secrets, um, trying to get you to compromise on your principles, refusing to accept your standards and boundaries, anything like that. It's usually from a woman, from my experience. And just from observation of how women behave, especially towards other women, and especially towards other women who are progressive in life and are in leadership positions. Women don't like other women who are in leadership positions. Women don't like to take orders from women, and they will give you a hell of a fight, a hell of a resistance if you are in the position to tell them what to do, to order them around, even if you don't do so in a bossy way, even if you're just carrying out your job and just instructing, they will put up resistance overtly or covertly, resentfully. That has been my experience with women. I don't play with women. I don't play with women because I know how dangerous women are. I don't expose myself to women in a way where she's going to have any leverage. I can handle men. The women, I'm very careful with. Very careful with. A woman will see you in a happy relationship with your man, and just to prove that she can destroy that, she will. A woman will see you thriving in something that you have built from scratch, and just to prove that she can destroy it, she will. She will. And she will do it in a very subtle, and to her, and she thinks you don't know. But if you're the type of person like me who you read people and you observe people, you know. But she thinks she's being slick. She thinks you're falling for the, oh, we're friends. We're friends. So tell me all your secrets. Tell me all your plans. Tell me all your intentions. Tell me all your weaknesses. No, I don't play with women because they are dangerous. They are deadly. Deadly. For the man, you usually have to, he has to usually feel disrespected, insulted, or if you're in a relationship and he feels that he owns you, because men have their issues too, that men have their things about them that make them dangerous too, but by comparison they are nowhere near as dangerous as women are towards other women. Towards other women. Yeah, take my word for it.